Hello guys, good morning. It's another vlog for today, and we just had our meeting, and it is 10 a.m. in the morning right now. So the meeting was done early, and because I haven't eaten my breakfast yet, so I'll go and grab breakfast. So let's go. So anyways guys, konti lang yung pumunta sa meeting, mga parents supposedly. So now I'm outside. I'm going to get in the motorbike and then go home and eat breakfast. My house is just very close to this, to my school. I mean, to the school that I'm working. This is the school I'm working at. Alright. And then after eating breakfast, I will come back and work again in the classroom. Okay. Okay guys. Again. So I just came from downstairs because we were connecting these pipes to put here on the table. But I cannot bring you guys because I'm charging my phone. But I will show you the picture later. I just came here to turn off the aircon and then get my drinks. Okay, see you. Start na tang massage, guys. Hello, ka. Oh. Hello, guys. Tapos na tayo ng massage after 1 hour. At saka yun nga guys, hindi ko na na-videohan yung iba kasi naked. Ano ba yan? Rated SPG. Kaya yun. Yun ang sarap sa feeling. Kaya guys, thank you so much for joining sa ating vlog today. At saka talaga ng Thai massage na oil Thai massage guys. At saka yung may $10. $10 lang to guys. Promise. 10. Sabihin natin ng $11 kanina. 1 hour. Hindi kami nakano sa 2 hours kasi ayun lang. So thank you so much.